I gotta fix his bow. Oh, thank you.
Color. Yo, you know Chris Costa's UBR?
What about it?
That he got like covered.
What about it? You don't know Chris.
Smack him.
Ayla, what team are you running on? What team are you running on? I don't know. We didn't play the last game.
It's not even.
Wherever you need it.
It's white tape and orange. That's what we were going on.
RJ.
RJ.
So, you know how it's like
Go stand over by the outhouse.
RJ.
What up?
Let's go. By the outhouse.
Little blonde kid in there, and he's like, he comes up to me and he's like, are you on Brooklyn? And I'm like, yes. He's like, I love you. You're amazing. And me and AJ walk away. Hysterical laugh.
Asshole.
No, like, not, I'm like, thank you. You too.
OBR?
Yeah, no, it's an LBR and UBR mix.
No, I just watched all this wood bend.
It's
Predator. Predator. It's a Predator.
Yeah. Do you think I should make that?
You can't make it.
Why?
all the blunt kids are over the white
Not
tape.
down to the wire, but...
All the blunt kids over the white tape.
Because...
What? Probably playing time. Because if they don't make the Predator length.
What is it?
The Predator length
It's 13...
is
13 and a half.
10. No, like 10.
They make it 10 and a half.
No, it's somewhere between the short one or the mid length and the long one.
Yeah.
They don't make the mid length. The one in the middle.
crying now.
That's the limited edition. Oh my god. You like that? That's mine. It's still not going to be a Predator though. It's going to be whatever the shorter one is.
It's going to be
yours?
Predator.
Ready?
I'm
You
crying.
sure? You guys have white?
What?
Yeah.
I can't see that.
But they don't make
No
the
ban.
Predator.
Yeah, Beaver's buying them.
Cackerel. Mustache. Popping up. No! Are you serious? My GoPro died, damn it. Who's that lady? Evan, you have to do that too? Stop!
No. Oh, sorry, dude. My kneecap. Come on, guys, get one tape. Hurry up, let's go. Oh, all right. Do it.
Please.
Come on, Donnie.
Anything for you, Ron. Thank you.
Donnie, you all know you love us. Can you get this? I got it first.
Now you can give it the troll first.
All right, don't give it to me.
Fine. Donnie, you be that way. You should be nice to the troll.
Donnie, hit
Two
me.
teams to do. Wrap it around. All right, whatever. I got two teams to do. I'm doing it fast. All right, good. You better.
I literally had time.
Fuck.
I just
I'm
farted,
gonna use
guys.
your laptop, right?
No. Kiwi. What are we playing? Oh, it's on.
Actually, for a serious answer, you were good. Serious
Oh! Oh! You got him in the ear. Gotta hit him.
Oh, you would have died.
Oh, Chris, where'd you get shot?
Right here.
Okay, let's see. Turn your head. Where?
Right there.
I don't see it. Stop, move your fingers, stop jumping. Chris, put, yo, Ayla, put the light back on it. Yo, put,
Ryan, where are we going?
yo. Oh, shit.
Ryan, where are we going? Right here? What? Right here?
Fuck, what?
You want to go to the side?
Oh, Purdy, what's wrong?
This left side. Into the house.
Put my number.
What?
Hey, look, we're going to the side.
Yep. Evan!
Yo!
Practice your blocking skills I taught you.
Okay. Wait, where?
Go first. That hurts so fucking bad.
We're gonna go straight into that doorway.
Want me to go
with
first?
you guys as blockers.
Ayla, what's the shoot?
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wait, blocking which way?
You hit me right here.
I was aiming for your helmet.
Why is there so much Halo. Blocking which way?
Blocking Grandma's house.
What are you playing?
We'll provide cover fire while you guys shoot it.
I'm getting it from wherever.
Okay.
This is like 15 and that's like 30.
Alright.
Blumpkins, hold down the left side. Oh.
Get out of my way, please. Are you going with us?
Yeah. That side door, right?
Timer.
Guys, everyone go in. If you do decide to go in, I'm taking that pallet over there.
I'll probably take
I'll block in front. I'll block in front of the door.
What?
I'm gonna go in and into the right of the
Inside?
Yo, just say this is the doorway. I'll go block right
Evan's
here.
running up to Grandma's house.
Get up on one of those towers.
Evan's running up to Grandma's house.
Why do you always go to Grandma's house? It's annoying.
I'm gonna stop.
I'm
You can't even shoot.
taking the pallet, alright? I'm shooting across.
I'm gonna stop. Then you go. You lead then to get to the pallet and cover first.
Kiwi, wanna go first then?
Yeah, we're gonna block for you
To
guys.
post up first. You
We'll
post
block
up
for you
first.
Wait, 1 second.
You guys will post up. Wait,
What
are we gonna do then?
Are you posting up? Yeah.
Alright, then I'll be the first guy into suicide.
Yeah,
I'm the first guy into suicide.
safety, guys. Left side, right there, right there. Grandma's house, go! Control, move Grandma's house, are we clear?
Alright, good. Ready? Bang, 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 bang!
I got you!
Double out, double out. I got your mag, Kiwi. I got your mag. Bang, 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 bang!
Oh!
Are you serious?
Don't team! Don't team! Yeah.
I'll take. Watch it, watch it.
Throw the thunder! You get it! The pin's right there! Throw the pin! Watch out! Get on!
You don't touch.
One!
Front.
We got it! Waiting!
Nothing happened!
Waiting!
Here, Kiwi, take mine, take mine.
Hey! Come here!
Come back, come back!
Go!
Go, go! Bang, 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 bang! Bang!
Bang! Double out, right?
Really?
We have it. We have it for 4 minutes or so.
You want to take a call?
Go.
Still house. All right. Stack up on me. Let's go.
Hail on you, man.
Where the fuck is he getting hit from?
Watch out.
Yo, when you guys come over here, like, what's your small actress in the hospital, you in this one. Hey, watch out. Yo, look. Watch out, move in.
Where is he? He's at the entrance or their respawn. Ow!
Where you going?
I was gonna go back to suicide. On you.
You know where Halo is?
Yeah, he's in suicide.
Suicide?
Yeah.
Alright.